In today's video, I'll show you 2 simple ways to change the widget style in macOS 26 Tahoe. These settings can help you personalize your desktop and improve your experience. Let's get started. The first method is to set monochrome or full color. First, open System Settings and select Desktop and Dock from the sidebar. Scroll down until you find the Widgets section. The Widget Style option has 3 choices: Automatic, Monochrome, and Full Color. Automatic adjusts the widget style based on your system appearance. Monochrome gives a clean, black and white look. Full Color shows widgets in their original vibrant colors. Select the one you prefer, and the changes apply instantly. The second method is using Appearance Settings. Open System Settings and select Appearance. Here, you'll see the section called Icon and Widget Style. It has 4 different styles to choose from. 1. Default uses the regular macOS style that follows your system theme. 2. Dark gives a dark look to widgets and icons. Choose Always to keep it dark, or Auto to switch based on time or system settings. 3. Clear gives a frosted, transparent effect, with light, dark, or auto options. 4. Tinted adds a colored glass look, also available in light, dark, or auto. Try each one to see what fits best with your wallpaper and overall setup. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the free tech guide for more new tips and tricks.